Evolution is defined as change over time. This is separate from the typical belief of evolution that it is the origin of human life. Although personally, I do believe that God created man, I can see that there is sufficient evidence for evolution of other species. Darwin, which is considered the father of the theory of evolution, was a naturalist and biologist from the United Kingdom. He believed that species can change over time, that new species come from pre-existing species, and that all species share a common ancestor. This theory can be proven true in many different ways. For example, one of the most common ways that scientists can see proof of evolution is by the discovery of various fossils. Fossils can tell us a lot about how an ancient species lived and functioned. For example, the Tiktaalik was a fossil that was found in the Canadian Arctic, which proved to paleontologists that there was a transitional species that showed that there was an evolution of fish into land animals. Paleontologists could see this evolution by looking at the fossils of the Tiktaalik, which were very similar to that of modern-day amphibians and other land animals. Other proof of evolution, shown to us through fossils, is found in the bones of ancient hominin species, such as the Homo erectus. This primate had many similarities to humans, such as dexterous fingers, longer leg bones, and even similar skull shapes to modern-day humans. Although there are major similarities between ancient primates and modern humans, that does not necessarily mean that we descend directly from monkeys. Instead, it goes to prove our connection to a common ancestor. The second reason that there is proof for evolution is biogeography. The definition of biogeography is the distribution of species. With this, we can see that there are many similarities among species that are on the same continent. For example, many animals in Australia have similarities such as that of the marsupials, which carry their babies in pouches to continue their development. Another example of biogeography is the finch, which Darwin studied on the Galapagos Islands. Each of these birds has been proven to have arrived on the island from a direct descent to another bird which traveled to the Galapagos from South America. So as we can see, over time, species on the same continent evolve to their different habitats and start to have similar characteristics that help them survive in their environment. Overall, both fossils and biogeography are two major factors as to why evolution can be proven true. They also teach us that over time, there has been many changes among species that will continue to change over time.